Hi everyone, welcome to Indian Flavors by Gausia. Today we are making a quick and delicious tangy spicy fish curry in a traditional mud pan. Heat the mud pot. While it warms up, I am preparing the onion base. So total 3 onions. Cut them into chunks and in a pulse mode blend it. Coarse, not a smooth paste. Now the pot is hot. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil because it enhances the taste and aroma. Let the oil heat well. Meanwhile, I'm blending 6 small tomatoes and 5 Kashmiri chilies and a lemon-sized tamarind. Chilies and tamarind can be soaked for 15 minutes for a smooth paste. I'm also adding a spoon of crystal salt. This becomes a rich red paste for curry. Keep it aside. Oil is hot now. Let's add a spoon of fenugreek seeds. Once they splutter, add the onion paste. Fry until the water evaporates and a nice aroma comes. Add a pinch of turmeric. Fry it well. Then add tomato chili paste at this point. Cook until the raw smell disappears. Now check spices and salt. Adjust them. If you want more gravy, you can add water. Let the gravy simmer until it thickens slightly. Now time to add the fish. I have marinated with turmeric, chili powder and salt. But you can also add them plain. Drop the pieces gently into the curry. Instead of stirring with a ladle, just lift and rotate the pot gently like this. This way the fish won't break. Cover and cook on a low flame for about 10 minutes. Once you smell the beautiful fish curry aroma, rotate the pot again. Add fresh coriander leaves. Turn off the stove. That's it. A simple, tangy, spicy fish curry is ready to serve. Let's meet in the next video with a new recipe. Bye.